Today, we're going to take a look at this SSD enclosure. I'm going to go through exactly what you're going to get and everything and answer all your questions. So it's going to come in this box right over here. Let's take a closer look. This is what you're going to get inside. We have the actual piece itself right over here. So it is USB-C. One of the things I do like about this is the cable it comes with. Not only is it USB-C, but it gives you the option if you have a USB. A lot of the times, if you have a PC, I'm a Mac person, but if you have a PC, this becomes super annoying because you usually don't have the USB-C port, you have a USB. So this allows you to use both or however you want. Now, this kid offers up to 1,000 MBS data transfer speeds, and it makes it fast enough so you could transfer 4K videos, photos, large files quickly. And it's just really nice. It's super lightweight, easy to travel with you. We're also going to get these little things here. And then we also got this little attachment over here. So if you wanted to adhese it to something, you could do so and put it with you. So if you are looking for a Type C enclosure, definitely check this one out, and thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.